Hi everyone, this is Eric Rellis, and today I want to share with you guys the Newsela website. I use this website quite a bit because I teach SDC and I have readers of all levels, and pretty much all the articles on here are offered at different text levels or lexile levels. Everything on here is based on the standards for ELA, science, math, social studies. This is a great website. It has tons of articles. Most of the stuff my students are interested in. There's a lot of current events. You can create lessons on here. There's different text sets. There's news like current events. There's a library of different types of articles and stuff. You can pretty much just click on anything here. Let's go to news. I'll click on one and you can see kind of what it offers for you. So right away, it tells you to narrow your choices. It gives you tons of different options. It gives you reading skills. You can create quizzes. There's so many things you can do on this website. It's really helpful for all reading levels. So let's just choose one here. I'll choose Fast and Furious, Vietnam's Elephant Race. So it goes through this little tutorial. You can save your article. They have 5 different reading levels available for this one, which is great. You can have all your students reading the same article at different levels. Your students can have activities, quizzes, writing prompts. There's all different things you can create. It's free. The only difference with the paid subscription is that it keeps track of your students' data, and you can track scores and you can use it for grading. So if you really like it, I suggest going into the Pro category. It gives you a lot more options, and it's very helpful, very effective. So I just want to share that with you guys. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon.